Hey everyone, want to manage your ElevenLabs subscription? Managing your subscription lets you upgrade or downgrade your plan, update your payment method, monitor your usage, and control your billing, all from your account dashboard. In this full guide, I'll show you how to manage your ElevenLabs subscription in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign in to your ElevenLabs account. Click your profile icon in the top right corner and select Subscription to open your billing and plan management page. Next, review your current subscription details. You'll see your active plan, available monthly credits, billing cycle, and any additional usage information. This helps you decide whether your current plan still fits your needs. If you need more or fewer features, click Manage Subscription. You can upgrade to a higher plan for additional credits and features, or schedule a downgrade if you no longer need your current plan. Changes to downgrades and cancellations generally take effect at the end of your current billing cycle. Now open Manage Billing Information if you need to update your payment method or billing details. You can add a new payment method, update your billing information, and download invoices from this section. Keep an eye on your monthly credit usage so you know how much is remaining. Depending on your plan, you may also have access to pay as you go or other billing options if you need additional credits beyond your included allowance. If you decide you no longer need a paid plan, click Cancel Subscription. Your subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing cycle, and you can usually resume it before that date if you change your mind. For the best experience, review your usage every month, choose a plan that matches your workload, keep your payment information up to date, and download invoices for your records if needed. Checking your subscription regularly can help you avoid unexpected charges and make the most of your available credits. And that's how to manage your ElevenLabs subscription in 2026. Whether you're upgrading, changing your billing information, monitoring credits, or canceling your plan, everything can be managed from your subscription dashboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.